I could see a fox or two. But I definitely need more places to walk. The woods, don't know, I'm not going to bother for a while because I haven't seen any deer in 3 trips. It's a bit disappointing. It's like a 40-mile round trip, so there's no point in going there if I ain't going to see the deer. So I need to try and find some other places to walk. No, there is one I'm thinking of. It's about the same distance, I think, as the one in the woods, but I've never been there, so just a case of getting there and sort of seeing what it's like and, you know, walking it. Yeah. Pretty. Oh shit, Sherlock. Oh, I feel like I've got flies on my legs. It's a shame I can't use the Cree nightcap. I'm gonna have to try and probably remount the shroud on it. I mean, it's got a counterweight on the back. It's got a tube to fit my power pack, so in theory it should be good enough, but I noticed the height was a bit low on the shroud, so I couldn't move it up high enough on the helmet mount, so the night vision was mounted a little bit low, which felt a bit weird with the camera. I don't want the camera bumping into my face. You know, the helmet is a very sturdy mount for the night vision, whereas the Cree is not really. I might even change my bump helmet at some stage and get cheaper contacts, you know, those earphones, because apparently you can use them as use a microphone to sort of enhance your hearing. It could be useful, I think. God, it is light, really light. So that I don't meet any scallywags. It does feel like it's mounted a little bit low. I am looking through the top of the eyepiece. Don't know if it'll go any higher. No, it won't go any higher. Oh, no, it's not alright. Guess it's alright because I was just looking through the top of the eyepiece, aren't I? It's very bright, that moon. I need to get back into playing Stalker 2 at some stage. Because finally, after waiting fucking donkey's ears for it to happen, they have finally, if you've ever played Elite Dangerous, it's Buddy Murray, if you ever played Elite Dangerous, they finally put the Panther Clipper back into it. So I played Elite Dangerous on, not Elite Dangerous, sorry, I played Elite 2, I think it was Frontier, on Atari STE, years and years ago. There was a Panther Clipper and it was basically a tank, and you could like empty a fucking station almost. Had like a huge cargo hold. Anyway, they finally added it into Elite Dangerous, called it the Panther Clipper Mark II, Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So I wouldn't mind getting back into Elite Dangerous and trying it. So anyway, the other night I bought Elite Dangerous Odyssey, which apparently you're supposed to get, I think, the clipper for free in that. The Odysseys is the foot one, where you can run around on foot. So, oh, look at that, well, that's mad. Is that steam or gas? Must be steam, eh? Can't be venting gas into the atmosphere. That would be particularly dodgy. Definitely must be steam. So yeah, I've got Elite Dangerous installed. Haven't tried it yet. Last time I played it was on the Quest 2 in VR, so I'm gonna have to set up all my fucking buttons again. So it's going to be a big job in itself. So yeah, that'll be interesting anyway. But don't know if I'm going to get the clipper for free, or if I'm going to have to buy it in game. And you have to buy it using these like in-game sort of monetary thing called ARX, ARX. So I think it's like the basic one, which is called the Panther Clipper Stella, is 19,000 ARX, I think, and the standard one is like got everything on it, like, you know, all like A-rated stuff and all that, and that's twice the price, 38,000. And if you buy ARX with real money, I think you can buy about 55,000 ARX for something like 25 quid, I think. So yeah, you can either earn ARX inside the game, or you can buy them for real money. So I don't know what I'm going to do to look into ways of making ARX. I'll see how long it would take me to make 38,000 of them, or 19,000, that would do, because I've got plenty of cash in game. I think last count, I think we got 1.8 billion or 1.2 billion or something like that. So yeah, let's have a look here. Oh, it's bright, isn't it? Fucking bright. What if there's a... See, I bet most of this is just like automated. So just have a look down there. Half. Can't see anybody. I don't know where all that steam went. Probably over there, so. Yeah, weird. Oh. Don't look at the fucking moon, that's for sure. Oh. It's fucking bright, it's so bright. Shit, man. Oh, what fucking nights decided to come out. Yeah, it's very bright, that. Be careful it doesn't sort of leave a lasting impression on the tube, because this tube's not getting on it. Oh, I'll do it. Yeah, like you can see, it's left a few shadows on it on the lighting. What is that? Oh, a seagull or something. Yeah, a seagull. Yep. Put my thermal on standby. Oh, stick it in my pocket. That will go with time. I can always black box it anyway if it doesn't. I have black boxed it before. Ooh, was that a fucking... Was that a fish? Something came up. Fucking big. Must have been a fish or something. It's literally like a... Mad. Literally just there something came up. Might see it on video when I look back. It is recording. That's why I want an autogated tube, so I don't get lasting impressions from the lights and shit. Oh, it's definitely shit cruel in my ears. Look at little bastards, you feel it. Oh. Just thought, right, I'm not going to wear the thing of balaclava tonight because it's just so fucking warm. What day is it? Monday, is it? Is it Monday? It might be Monday. Yeah. Generally it's a weekend when there's more people around. Monday generally people are sort of, left the car park by about 1.